How to use AI to write better client emails in under 3 minutes. A real-time demo using ChatGPT to craft a client intro email that sounds like you. How long did your last client introduction email take you to write? 20 minutes? 45? I'm about to show you how to go from rough notes to a polished, personalized message in under 3 minutes with the timer running to prove it. Let's walk through a real example together. In this scenario, you are a healthcare marketing consultant emailing a prospect who's struggling to get their clinic ranking on Google. You've helped another clinic drive traffic and increase bookings by 40%. Your call to action in this message: invite your prospect to schedule a 15-minute consult. This is the basic prompt template from this week's Bite-Sized Bots newsletter. Watch how I fill it out with real details. This is where the magic happens. Real details help the AI sound more like you. Here's what ChatGPT gave me. It's good, but it could use more of a personal touch. Watch what happens when I give the AI feedback, asking it to make the email sound more conversational and less formal. Now we get an even better version that feels more natural and like me. Here's how we started. From rough notes to a detailed email prompt. And here's the transformation, from a good first draft to a version you feel great about sending. It's in your voice, polished, clear, and easy to read. Be efficient and stay authentic. I've dropped a few templates from this week's newsletter in the video description. Pick one and give this process a try. Tell me how it goes in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.